Offshore wind is the key to the green transformation in the Baltic states. The European Union has set a goal for CO2 neutrality by 2050. According to national climate plans, wind power production in the Baltic region should increase by 5 times by 2030. Inefit and Ørsted are partnering up to develop the vast potential of offshore wind in the region. One of the opportunities in the Baltics is the Liivi offshore wind farm in the Gulf of Riga. Liivi has the potential to become the first offshore wind farm in the Baltic states. With the Liivi project, Inefit and Ørsted, the largest offshore wind power developers in the world, are proposing to build an offshore wind farm in the Gulf of Riga, which could reach a capacity in the range of 1 to 2 gigawatts. Planning areas for research are situated in Estonian and Latvian waters in the Gulf of Riga, right next to each other. If it comes to fruition, the offshore wind farm could produce nearly half of overall electricity consumption in Latvia and Estonia, depending on the final capacity. 180 square kilometers in Estonian and 200 square kilometers in Latvian waters. The wind farm could be located 40 kilometers from Pärnu and 10 kilometers from Kihnu Island and 16 kilometers from the shoreline of Estonia. The wind farm could be connected to the electrical grid both in Estonia and Latvia. The wind farm could be connected to the electricity grid in Kilingi-Nõmme. The connection needs about 16 kilometers of underwater cable and 30 kilometers of land cable to be built. If the vision is carried out, the Liivi offshore wind farm could supply households in Estonia and Latvia with green and competitive electricity for decades. The grid connection could be developed alongside the construction of the wind farm. The wind farm connection cable can be used as an additional interconnector between the two countries, which can increase security of supply and level out market prices. Carbon neutrality in 2050 will require widespread direct electrification as well as indirect electrification via renewable hydrogen and power-to-X. A large-scale renewable energy supply from offshore wind, such as the Liivi project, is an ideal source of power for both due to its scale and high load factor. After signing the MOU, environmental impact studies could take place until 2023. Construction could potentially start in 2025 after technical studies and seabed research. Construction is planned to be completed before 2030.